Hi guys, how is everyone doing? I hope all of you guys are staying indoors and keeping safe. Few days back, we started talking about a 10-bit display which brings in a billion colors on the Mi 11 Lite. But what exactly is a 10-bit display? How is it different from an 8-bit display? So here I am to talk about 8-bit displays versus 10-bit displays. What exactly is the difference and why does it matter to you? So my team has just given me under 2 minutes to take you through this entire concept. So let's get started. But before we get there, let's do some basics. As you already know, any graphic which you see on your screen is made up of millions of pixels coming together to form a single image. Now, if you go closer to a certain pixel, you will see that a pixel further carries shades of red, green and blue, which we usually call RGB, to form an image on your screen. Now this information which is stored per red, green and blue channel is called color depth or bit depth. Now I want you to remember this. Now that we have covered the basics, let's understand what an 8-bit display is. A 8-bit display basically renders only 256 shades of red, green and blue, which when multiplied together gives you a rough composition of roughly 16.7 million colors. Now this is good, and we have been so used to this that the next information will completely blow you away. A 10-bit display carries 1024 shades of red, green and blue colors, which means that it can produce 1.07 billion colors instead of just 16.7 million colors which you saw earlier on the 8-bit panel. Now this is 64 times more color information being decoded by a 10-bit panel when compared to the 8-bit panels. So, should it matter to you? If you are an avid content watching person, or if you play HDR games on your phone, or if you are somebody who is trying to get into professional grade photography or videography directly from your phone, then it should matter to you. Against a standard 8-bit display, the 10-bit display on the Mi 11 Lite can render more color information, a billion colors, remember? Now this means that you notice rich variety in color gradations, resulting in a much more livelier, color accurate and an overall stunning looking image. So I hope you found this information useful, and I hope I was able to decode what does a 8-bit, what does a 10-bit display actually mean. To experience this 10-bit display, I welcome you on the 22nd where we are launching the Mi 11 Lite. See you then.